What is up? So today I'm headed to Clay Pot Cafe located in Boston's Chinatown. I'm going to be trying the yellow eel clay pot and also the spare rib clay pot. Clay pot rice is a traditional dinner dish in southern China and Southeast Asia. So let's go. Alright, check it out. So this is the eel clay pot. Let me see, eel, scallions, onions. Woo, still steaming here, so I'm gonna probably have to blow on it. Get a little bit of everything. Oh, check it out. That's really good. The eel is nice and seasoned. Has a nice like smoky taste to it. Still extremely hot, but the eel has like a kind of a mushroom kind of texture. It's so squishy, well seasoned. The rice is nice and crunchy. Ooh, still steaming. Goodness. But all the juices up top. It's very simple, but really good. I think it's like a light soy sauce maybe, but check it out. Oops, dropping stuff. Nice and savory. Not too salty. Really delicious. Woo, hot. This is a spare ribs clay pot. It has the same thing, scallions, onions, probably like a light soy sauce. Still steaming too, check it out. Woo. Gotta probably blow on it. Let's get a decent chunk. Oh, look at the spare ribs. It look like they marinated it with something, maybe a soy sauce. Spare rib has like a nice chewy texture. Kind of has a light hint of the soy sauce. Woo. Rice is nice and crispy. Nice, still steaming. It's pretty simple, but it's really good. Let me get some more of this spare ribs with this rice. The rice itself is really good too. Let me try to grab another piece. Really delicious. Simple ingredients. So traditionally the cooking is done over a charcoal stove, giving it the distinct flavoring. Some places put sweetened soy sauce and sometimes a dry salted fish. Look at this. So basically the cooking process creates this charcoal rice. Look how crunchy this is. Probably like the best part. Slow cooking process takes about 15 to 20 minutes. But look at this. Really good. Look how crispy that is. I think this is the best part right here. So that is a wrap for this video. Clay Pot Cafe is the only restaurant in Boston currently doing Hong Kong style clay pot rice. Both dishes were pretty decent. The ingredients were simple and it had a nice charcoal taste to it, and also the rice was nice and crispy from the clay pot. This place is definitely worth a try if you want to try traditional clay pot rice. I'll see you guys next time.